Hello, my name is Anna Cordova, and I love to birdwatch. Here are some of the pictures of birds I took with my journey with the birds. I hope you enjoy.
I don't want to cause any serious damage.
Birds have been around for millions and millions of years. Humans have always been jealous of their ability to fly and live up in the clouds. These are pictures of the birds we hope to see. A blue jay, a house sparrow, a rufous-sided towhee, downy woodpecker, sparrowhawk. These birds are common to our region in the winter. In order to attract birds, we put seed on our homemade feeder. We also put seeds and nuts in our St. Francis statue. The type of seed we used was Niger. It mostly attracts goldfinches and other types of birds. We had to move the feeder so the birds would have shelter and fresh water. Anna's playing the mic again. We spent 3 days looking for birds. We had to be very patient and quiet. And we had to hide ourselves too. Here are the birds we saw with the journey with the birds. I did not see many of the birds I hoped to see. But I did see some pretty cool birds.
Singing a song, and you want other people to sing along. Just sing what you feel. Don't let anyone say it's wrong. And if you're trying to paint a picture, but you're not sure which colors belong, just paint what you see. Don't let anyone say it's wrong. And if you're strung out like a kite, or stung awake in the night, it's alright to be frightened when there's a light. What light? There's a light. What light? There's a light. White light inside of you.
That was the end of my journey with the birds. I enjoyed it.
Everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird.